Hello! Welcome back to the official Cricket Cards YouTube channel. I'm Noah, and today we will be demonstrating how the Freewheel Lever and the Freewheel Switch function. The Freewheel Lever and Switch are both located in the same places in all cricket cards. The Freewheel Lever is located here, on the bottom left of the card next to the wheel. Simply pull out to disengage and free up the wheels. Then it can be pushed with ease. In order to re-engage, simply press the lever back in. Even with the wheels freed, do not tow your cricket cart, as this will damage the motors. The Freewheel Switch is located just under the seat, on the back of the control box. For this switch to free up the wheels, the cart must be on first. The Freewheel Lever will work whether or not the cart is on. The cart can be pushed with ease just the same as the lever. Turn off the Freewheel Switch to once again lock the wheels. And that's how the freewheel mechanisms work. To learn more or to find a cricket card dealer near you, check us out at cricketcards.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.